we are exhibiting few of our products from the vast range of products we have. You can see vertical machining center VM-11, a versatile machining center used industries like automobile industry, defense, energy, also in aerospace industry. This particular machine is used to machine different varieties of components like steel, cast iron, aluminium, titanium, higher stainless steel grades. This machine has a table size of 1300 by 600 mm. The strokes of this machine is 1200 by 600 and vertical also 600. On this machine we can load 4th axis and 5 axis rotary tables. At present we are showing 5 axis machining of a turbine blade. This machine has an RPM of 10,000, can be given an RPM of 8,000 as a standard and 12,000 also can be given. This machine is having a rapids of 24 meters all XYZ. To see the machine and feel this machine, visit our stall.